hello, can you help with a 1040X? You did a dual status return for 2022 and you made a mistake. Okay, so I'm assuming that you've left the US and you're now tax resident in France. And since 2022 is your final year of residence in the US, you're not a citizen and you're not a lawful permanent resident, you're not a green card holder. So for part of the year, you were a US taxpayer and part of the year you were not. Or perhaps you surrendered your green card or passport sometime in the year. So again, for part of the year you are and part of the year you're not. So you're correct, you need to file something called a dual status return, which signals to the Internal Revenue Service that part of the year you're a US taxpayer, but you ended the year not being a US taxpayer. So you're doing a Form 1040 together with a Form 1040 NR, and depending on your circumstance, you're doing an 8854 as well. Now, to answer your question specifically, if you made a mistake, chances are the IRS sends a rather vaguely written letter. You don't indicate what it was, but they would send a vaguely written letter. And the best thing for you to do is to resubmit the entire thing. And since you made a mistake on your own, you'd probably want to speak with a professional service provider to make sure you get it right, because this is your final return and we don't know your circumstances, whether exit tax calculations are due, etc. So the point is that the implications of getting it wrong can be pretty expensive. So you probably want to seek advice to make sure you do it correctly. But you probably aren't able to just adjust one part of it. It stands as one submission. The 1040, the 1040 NR, the schedules and whatever else behind it, as well as potentially an 8854 plus your FBARs potentially. So I hope that helps.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.